Guys, I have a problem. Welcome to Linux Troubleshooting Quickie 2. I'm trying to run the commands and basically I am unable to use the autocomplete. So I want to create a firewall rule, for example, firewall cmd, and I want to use the add service, and I'm hitting tab and nothing is happening. This is really causing me so much time to work with many commands like the firewall command. So I'm trying to use the firewall cmd add service, blah, 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 and tab is not completing. And this is happening in all commands. So I'm trying to use tab to autocomplete my parameters of a command, and autocomplete, it's not working at all anywhere in my terminal. So this is really costing me some time. What can I do to be able to autocomplete commands with tab? What am I missing here? I really want to know.